Hello and good morning. It's 7 in the morning and we are on our way to Santorini. The taxi is here and we are going to the airport. We had almost landed in Santorini, which is the most famous island out of the 6,000 islands in Greece. All right, let's go. Let's go. We just got the rental car and we are on our way up to the most famous place here in Santorini, Ia. Where we're gonna be staying for 2 days. We had got a rental car that cost us 25 euros per day. The drive to our hotel room in Ia would take 20 minutes. Hello and welcome to Oia, Santorini. It's a nice place we're staying in here. Really good place. It's time to go out for some sightseeing, but she's being lazy. It was wintertime in Greece and we had got the best possible hotel room located highest up in the city of Ia in Santorini. Santorini and Ia is arguably one of the most famous sites in all of Greece, visited by over 2 million tourists each year. The town is built on a slope 100 meters above the sea, famous for its white dome and cave houses. The island is thought to have been formed by volcanic activity a long time ago. Several eruptions formed the whole land area. There are also several smaller islands outside the coast of Santorini. Time to go and explore Ia. Now we're coming to the most famous view here in Santorini, the Caldera view. The main building materials of the cave and dome houses on the island are volcanic and include volcanic dust, black and red rocks, as well as stones. Welcome to Santorini! Here we have all the well-known small apartments with an amazing view. You can see the island goes all the way to that side. This is the view we came for. Walking around on the narrow streets in Santorini is a great experience, not only because of the cool houses, but also because of the great scenic views. Evening was getting closer and we had come to watch the sunset from the very north part of the island. It was a great feeling being on top of a volcanic island far out in the Mediterranean Sea in the very south part of Europe. The view was just as incredible the whole time, and we enjoyed an amazing evening on the island. sun is going down in Santorini. Now we're gonna see if we can find some good restaurants for dinner. Good evening. Now we are sitting here at this restaurant and we got a perfect view right in the corner with this amazing view that we saw earlier today. It's been a great day and we got a really nice room actually that I'm really satisfied with.
We had got two famous dishes in Greece, moussaka, which is baked eggplants with meat, and pork souvlaki, which is pork on a stick.
We finished everything.
It's time for the hot tub. Oh, it's strong.
You think it's strong?
But I never drink wine. Cheers.
Just Santorini. That little door. Or that's just a window.
Which window?
It is, isn't it?
I think so, yeah.
Like right there.
Yeah, it's really close.
Sha! Time to get in the hot tub again. A hotel room like this will cost about 400 euros per night in the summertime, and a lot of times it will be fully booked. In the winter, it's half the price and not nearly as many tourists on the island.
I want to go check out the gondola.
To the next place. Here is one of the reasons why you should visit Santorini in the winter time instead of the summer, because there are no people here. We've been walking on the streets here and there's literally nobody here, only us. And everything is much cheaper also. So now it's December and the weather is still good, as you can see. About 23, 24 degrees Celsius.
In the summertime, the streets in Santorini will be so crowded that you can barely walk on them.
So what are we gonna get?
I want to get
Coffee.
a medium.
You just got Greek salad for 7 euros. The food is not too expensive here actually in Santorini. You can get a meal for between 7 to 15 euros. And you get, like yesterday, we had 2 really good meals.
Yes.
14 euros each.
Slovakia. Wait.
Souvlaki.
The man said that it would not taste good with cream in it, so we'll see. It's really good. That's somebody's
Okay, alright. Now we are finally on the road and we are heading to the south part of the island. Apparently there are some mountains there that you could see earlier from the view.
The island of Santorini is just 20 kilometers long and 4 kilometers wide, so it's possible to drive all around it in just a few hours.
Now we have been driving, we came from Ia all the way over there. We drove across the mountain. We're looking for the next hotel, but we were here like 10 minutes ago. Now we came back here because all the roads look the same here and they're really narrow, and we're looking for a hotel.
We had come to another incredible hotel with an amazing view in the city of Thera, located in the middle of the island. This city rests upon the rocks about 400 meters above the sea level. The island of Santorini is the result of one of the largest volcanic eruptions in recorded history, taking place only 3,600 years ago.
We are finally getting into the gondola. It costs 6 euros each to go down, so one way. If you want to go back up, then you have to pay 12 euros.
You can ride the gondola all the way down to the water from the city of Thera.
It's gonna take forever to go up.
But we're gonna have to walk back up. You know what? I'm kind of scared. Maybe we should just pay and go back up.
That would be cool. There's steps the whole way. But I'm gonna be hungry if we have to. Well, actually, but I'm not.
What about the
looking forward
volcano?
to walking back up.
You can go on a boat trip out to a volcano from here, but we decided to check out the area, then head back to the hotel and go to another famous place on the island. We came back to the hotel, this time a cave hotel, high up in the cliff.
We are here at the next hotel room. Really nice actually. And a private little hot tub.
The hotel was so nice that I almost wanted to just stay there and hang out, but we decided to go out for some new adventures for the evening.
Now we're going back to Pia where we were earlier this morning because we found out that there's a cliff jumping spot there. So we're gonna go and do some cliff jumping there.
We are now at the Moody Bay. There's a cliff behind there where we're gonna jump. We had come to Amoudi Bay to check out the scenery above and below the water surface. We hiked around the mountain and I was getting ready to jump in. I could see the steep edges of the landscape underwater also, and it was really cool to swim around this volcanic island.
We're gonna go to a restaurant soon.
Yes,
right?
It's a restaurant that was rated like #3 on TripAdvisor.
Okay.
So it's traditional Greek food and lots of really great reviews.
When are we going?
The reservation's at like 7:30.
7:30.
So I think it's, what time is it? 6:47. So
6:47.
I need to put it in the GPS to see how far away it is.
The hot tub. I can't wait for the hot tub. But first we're gonna go and have some dinner. We are almost ready to go. Almost. Just waiting for... What are we waiting for?
Wear your deodorant, kids.
Like... Are you ready?
I'm ready. I have the GPS set up so we can find it. Arrived to the restaurant, and do you have to go up a lot of steps to get to?
One moment, lady. One moment. Okay, tell me now, did you solve the path?
We're getting some help now to find the restaurant. I think we've almost found the restaurant now. We had some trouble with some barking dogs. Enjoy.
We came into the restaurant and got some bread, olives, cheese, and some type of vodka. It's considered a bit rude if you don't drink the vodka, so we had one shot each.
We got the typical Greek type of vodka called raki, and we're gonna try it out. They make it in some kind of special way. I actually don't know exactly how to make it, but it's really famous here in Greece.
I have my phone.
Okay, cheers to the Greek raki.
Dimitri. anyone who's educated.
I'm just having my first bite here of the baked eggplant, and looks like there's also some kind of tomato stuff in it. I'm gonna try it out. It's a bit sweet.
It's sweet.
And
With the tomato sauce.
a bit salty with the cheese also. Alright, I just got the grilled pork tenderloin with some kind of spinach and lemon and potatoes. Looks really good, and I'm really excited to eat it. It's some kind of cheesecake.
It's a milk pie.
Milk
pie.
cake. It's pretty good actually.
Don't put this one in your video.
Why not?
Because this part right here is not entertaining.
We're gonna go to the hot tub. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh yeah. Oh yes, it's good.
It's not every day you get the chance to sit in a hot tub in Santorini. A couple, like 100, 200 meters maybe above the sea level.
Like.
Oh, nice. It's pretty cool that there's a little cave here. It's like we're in a cave, you know?
Yeah. It's called On the Cliff. On the cliff.
1.5 hours in the hot tub. It's time to head out from this hotel room. We're sitting here having breakfast at this hotel, and the view is really incredible. We are getting back into the car to do one last little adventure before we head to the airport.
We had driven across the island again, this time to the southeast part of the island, to a place called Black Beach, which is a big black sand beach. The black sand comes from the volcanic eruptions that had taken place in the past. This area was one of few areas on the island that didn't have any elevation. We returned the rental car, got on a plane, and were on our way somewhere else.
Downwards for further.
Let's go.
Bye.
Goodbye.